Hi guys, postman's been. Got a package. I've just taken the label out the front because that's got my address on it. So, let's see what we've got inside. Made in China. That's a surprise. Oh! Well, I wasn't expecting that for another week or month even. It's a Stirling Engine. I won it. It was on auction. So I put in a silly low bid for it and nobody else bid on it. So I won it. Oh wow. Oh, I hope it works. Oh gosh, I wasn't expecting that yet. Well, there we go. I'll have to put that one together. Maybe even read the instructions. Oh, does that look like that's broken? Don't know. I reckon it might be. I'm going to have to read the instructions for a minute, see if I can figure out how it's supposed to go together. Yeah, I'm not sure why we've got two of these. Right, I have to do a bit of reading. Well, I'm pretty sure what we're looking at is a broken one that's been shipped out to get rid of it. That one doesn't appear to be anything to do with it. That's from something else entirely. And this one, as I showed you when I opened it up, it's broken. There should be a loop on the end of that. And that's broken off, so I'll have to see if I can solder a loop on there or something so we can actually get it going. I reckon this is one that was damaged in transit or something, returned, and now they're just trying to get rid of it. That doesn't seem to line up because that's rubbing against the edge of here, although that's actually loose on there. Okay, we're going to have to do a little bit of work here, see if we can actually get it working. See, this one is definitely broken. I should think I could bend a paper clip to do that. Take that off there again. Yeah. Yeah, I should be able to bend up a paper clip to replace that. So we should still be able to get it working. Okay, that's what we'll do. Just bending up a paper clip to match the original linkage. I think this will do the job. Well, we're not having much success so far. I'm not sure which way round I should be trying to spin it. And we're not getting a run from it, whichever way I try and spin it. Got a nice cup of boiling water underneath, and I've even put an ice cube on top to try and give us the temperature difference. The shaft going through is bent. I got a feeling this is a second-hand one, or a faulty returned one. I mean, obviously I've had to replace this linkage on this side. But we're not getting a run from it at all. Because the shaft is bent, the wheel doesn't spin vertically. You see it's wobbling around a bit. I don't know if I should be adjusting the throw on this one. To make it either come up further or go down deeper. So I'm not sure which way round I should be spinning it, because obviously that's to do with the timing. But yeah, not having much luck at the moment. Might have to go and watch a few videos. Yeah, it's definitely teasing me now. It's getting very close to working. It's not exactly flying. suppose I could try a fresh hot water because it'll have cooled down a bit by now. Fresh hot water and another ice cube on top. Still not sure if I'm spinning it in the right direction. No, it doesn't seem to want to go that way round. Right, fresh cup of boiling water. Nearly. Success. Works with heat underneath and cold on top, so the air heats up, pushes the displacer thing, that thing that's going up and down underneath, up. The air escapes around the top of it and cools down, something like that. It's a closed cycle. It heats and cools. It's a little bit like those pop-pop boats. A little bit, in that something heats up, expands, and then cools down and shuts. And it was broken. He sent me a broken bit. That little piece there should have a loop on the top of it. In fact, that looks like it's been actually cut off.
Yeah.
Rather than broken. So somebody's had a problem with it, and I really didn't think I was going to get it going. It started teasing me, almost going, and I didn't know which way around it was supposed to go, because it's, you know, your timing.
Yeah.
I'm happy now.
Good.
That's going away fine now. That's got itself going. And loads of people do them on YouTube.
Yeah.
When I saw that one cheap, I thought I'd give it a try.
Well done you, sorting it out.
and get the thumbnail now. Yeah, that should do it. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.